Hello dear students, our today's topic is pronoun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Example, he, she, it, we, they. Let us see pronoun using one example. Mira is a good girl. Mira always comes first. Mira obeys the teacher. Everybody praises Mira. So here in this sentence, what we have seen? We have seen that word Mira is coming again and again. So to avoid such repetitions, what we will do? We will use pronoun. Let us read it again. Mira is a good girl. Mira always comes first. Mira obeys the teacher. Everybody praises Mira. So what we will do, we will replace word Mira, that is noun, which I have underlined, with pronoun. As Mira is a girl and singular noun, we will use she. We will use she or her. For example, in second sentence, Mira always comes first. Here we can use she. We can use pronoun she here. So she always comes first. She obeys the teacher. Here also we will use pronoun she because Mira is singular noun and she's a girl. We will use she. Everybody praises her. Here we will use pronoun her. So in this way, we have to use pronoun in place of nouns. I think you understood how we have to do. Now we will see personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? So before understanding personal pronouns, we will go through all the three persons. That is first person, second person, and third person. What is first person? First person is the person or persons speaking. The person who is speaking. Singular, I, me. Plural, we, us. Let us take one example. I am playing. Second person is the person to whom first person is talking, or we can say second person is the listener. For example, you are playing. You is used both for singular and plural form of second person. So here you are playing. Let's move to third person. Third person is the person about whom one is talking. Example, singular, he, she, it, his, him, her, hers. Plural, they, them, their, theirs. So we will take one example. They are playing, plural. He is playing, singular, male. For singular female, we will use she is playing. If it is an animal and singular, for example, the cat is playing, we can replace cat by it. So our sentence will be it is playing. Let us take more example. Here are few sentences. I won the award. Here I is first person personal pronoun. This car belongs to us. First person personal pronoun, plural. The matter is between John and me. Here also it is first person singular. Only you are allowed to attend the party. Second person Singular. I heard him telling them about the movie. Here, I is first person singular pronoun. Him is third person singular pronoun. Them is third person plural pronoun. Our next sentence, they went to the museum. Here, they is third person plural pronoun. He agreed to look after the baby. He is third person singular pronoun. It is an endangered species noun. Here, it is third person singular pronoun. So in this way, we have to use pronouns. Now we will learn possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns that shows ownership or possession. For example, mine, yours, hers, ours, theirs, etc. This pen is my pen, not your pen. This pen is mine, not yours. So in place of my pen, what we can use? We can use possessive pronoun mine. And in place of your pen, we can use possessive pronoun yours. So this is one example of possessive pronoun, how we have to use it. Now we will take a few more examples. Just now what we learned that pronouns that show ownership or possession are called possessive pronouns. Okay, now we will find out possessive pronouns. So first sentence, this is my doll, it's mine. So here word mine is possessive pronoun. These pencils are mine, not yours. Here, mine and yours are possessive pronouns. In third sentence, the books on the table are theirs. Here, theirs are possessive pronouns. Next sentence, the house with the beautiful garden is ours. Here, ours is showing possession. Whose garden? Ours garden. Now coming to last sentence. This is my brother's book. It's his. Whose books? His books. So here words like mine, yours, theirs, ours, his, they all are showing belongingness, or we can say possessive. So possession. So they all are known as possessive pronouns. So just now we have completed two types of nouns. One is one is personal pronoun and another is possessive pronoun. So let us revise it once again. What is a personal pronoun? So personal pronouns are used instead of persons and things. These are called personal pronouns because we use them to refer to ourselves, to people we are talking to, and to people we are talking about. So personal pronouns are first person, second person, and third person. Now coming to possessive pronouns. They are pronouns that show possession or ownership. So I think you have understood pronouns well. So your homework is you have to complete your exercises. Read the chapter again and complete your exercise.